Welcome, friend. Welcome to my channel, and my name is Beth, and I'm a dermatology PA in the United States. And today we're going to talk about a problem that affects many people. In fact, almost everybody over the age of 30 has at least one of these. And these things have a slang term. A lot of people call them barnacles. The medical term is seborrheic keratosis, which is a mouthful. So we do like to call them SKs or SEBKs. That's a lot shorter and easier to say. So for these SKs that you may be getting more and more of, in fact, usually you do the older we get, unfortunately, we get more of them, and they can be looking a lot of different ways. So we're going to go over what they can look like, what to watch for that might be concerning, and finally, what we can do about them. So first off, the characteristics of them is some of them are smoother and some of them are rougher. They can be very small, only a few millimeters, or they can be over a centimeter in size and diameter. So they are very superficial. They're actually on the very top layer of skin here. And you'll notice this looks like a hat. But really, it starts out slowly growing like a little bit of a discoloration, like usually light brown, and then it'll start piling up more and more and get thicker and thicker. You may not notice it at first, or you might think it's an age spot, and then it gets thicker, and they can be different colors, and people think they're vastly different things, but they're actually all the same thing. So they can be black, they can be different shades of brown, they can be gray or whitish, they can be yellowish, definitely flesh colored. I have never seen an orange one or a purple one, but if they turn pink or red and they're sore, that is definitely a warning sign. You want to get that checked out by your dermatology professional. The reason you want to get that checked out is that could be a squamous cell carcinoma, which can look a lot like an irritated SK. So if you've been picking on it and that's the reason it's sore, that's one thing. But if you were not picking at it and it grew quickly and it's getting tender to the touch, that is a bad sign. You would definitely get that checked out, okay? Now, the final thing, what you've all been waiting for, is what to do about these pesky spots or bumps. And I do have a few ideas for you. Get yourself some cream that has retinol in it. So here is Advanced Clinical's Retinol Advanced Firming Cream. It has retinol, and this is large enough to put on your arms and legs. And the retinol will help to regulate the pileup of skin. And so this is an idea that you can use to rub on those spots to see if that will help to wear them down. And basically, the next thing is something with this lotion has 2 ingredients in it that I like for seborrheic keratosis, SKs. One of them is urea, and urea is a nitrogen containing compound that happens to be in urine, but it's not urine. So urea will help dissolve scale, and you can get varying degrees of urea in different creams. Typically, if you go to 50%, that's prescription strength, but you can get up to 45% urea cream on places like Amazon. Salicylic acid in it. This is called Cetaphil Rough and Bumpy Lotion or Moisturizer. The salicylic acid also helps to exfoliate. So this has a nice combo that's not too irritating, and you can use it on your body and not have a problem. So this, I have definitely had patients say this helped smooth them down. If you would let me know your experiences with these SKs and what you've used to get rid of them. If you could put that in the comments below, I would love to see what you've been able to do. And if you've used some of these ideas, I would love to see how they worked for you. Well, I hope you've gotten some value out of this video. If you're interested in more skin, hair, and nail topics, I suggest that you click one of these videos. And also, if you would consider subscribing and clicking the notification bell for more videos to come. Until next time, I wish you all the best.